GOtv is digital quality entertainment, which means greater viewing enjoyment for everyone. The GOtv decoder is designed to plug in and play. It is simple to install and you can do it yourself. In your GoCoder box, you will find your GoCoder, remote, batteries, 12-volt power supply unit, and an audio-visual cable. If you have also purchased the GoTenna kit, it will also include the GoTenna, a 10-meter coaxial cable, U-bracket with pole clamps, 4 dipoles, and instruction pamphlet. Let's start with the GoTenna installation. Carefully unfold the steel grid and firmly click into position. Next, fasten the V-shaped dipoles to the underside of the red and green dipole holders using the butterfly screws. For best signal quality, your antenna should have a clear line of sight to the GOtv transmitter and be free of obstructions like trees and power lines. Now, install the pole you have purchased as high as possible. Next, connect the RF cable to your antenna and make sure the cable runs behind the steel grid. Using the indicator sticker as a guide placement, place the U-bracket through the middle of the antenna. Then, mount the GoTenna to the pole like a traffic light, with red on top and green on the bottom. Use the brackets provided to fasten it in place. Aim the front of your GoTenna towards the transmitting tower to ensure you receive maximum signal. You may want to look at your neighbor's antenna as a guide. Then, feed the cable into the house. Next, your GoCoder installation. Connect it to the TV using the AV cables provided. Fasten the GoTenna RF cable to the RF in plug on the back of your GoCoder. Plug in the power supply cable to the decoder before inserting the power supply into the plug point. Switch the TV on and select the input your GoCoder is connected to. After a few moments, the GOtv logo will appear, followed by the setup screen. Select your language preference and the country you are in. Next, on the Active Antenna menu, select Power Off. The screen will change to automatic scanning. It will take approximately 6 minutes to scan available channels. Please be patient. Do not interrupt the process. If no signal is found, it will automatically take you to the signal detection screen. Insert the channel number for your region. This can be obtained from the GOtv website. At this point, you may need to rotate the antenna to maximize signal strength and quality. Use the on-screen bar to help fine-tune. Once you've optimized the signal, firmly tighten the antenna into position. Now, do a full service scan so that the decoder can update and save the full service list. Once the decoder has finished scanning, the number of channels acquired will be indicated on the TV screen. Now, press OK to continue. The GoCoder will take you to the Go channel. This indicates you have successfully installed your GoCoder. You can now activate your account by using the My GoTv app on your smartphone. The My GoTv app is an easy and convenient way to manage your GoTv account, clear error codes, pay online, change package, and update your details, all from one place. Once you have downloaded the My GoTv app, follow the easy steps. Remember to have your 10-digit IUC number handy. It is underneath your GoCoder. You can also visit GoTVAfrica.com for full details on how to activate your GoCoder. Now, sit back and get set to enjoy all GoTv has to offer. GoTv, love it.